Hey guys, what if I told you Jeep built the first mid-size truck with the winch from the factory and then wrapped it with a military look that just, will you just look at it? So this is a Shadow Ops package from Jeep. It's a Gladiator, really cool, comes standard with the winch. We're gonna be checking this out in today's video. My name is Mark. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and let's check out this Shadow Ops Jeep Gladiator from the Convoy marketing team from Jeep. All right, guys, so here it is. It's the Shadow Ops Jeep Gladiator. This is the brand new 2026 Jeep Gladiator Shadow Ops edition. If you're into overlanding, off-roading, military styling, or just want something else nobody else has, this could be the Gladiator for you because they're doing these in very limited runs. So it's very unique. You get this unique Shadow Ops badge here. You can see it has the lines through it. Kind of reminds me of Knight Rider. Engine on this one, guys, is a 3.6 liter Pinstar. It's going to give you 285 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque. It's made it up with an 8-speed automatic transmission that's going to be fully sealed for you. And with the power combination on this one, you're going to have a tow capacity of 7,700 pounds, so you can tow what you need. It's equipped with the hitch from the factory, so you got all that ready to go right out back here with your 4 and 7 pin connector. Then you got your hitch right down there with a nice backup camera so you can see what's going on out back. So guys, if you've been waiting for a Gladiator that looks like it's ready from the factory, ready for the recovery operations, this one could be it for you. As you can see here, it's got everything you need for off-roading. So you got all this off-road protection for the bed and for the body on here. So it's really built for the recovery. Also going to have metal bumpers on the front and back as part of that worn winch. Capable winch bumper is going to be a metal bumper as part of that Rubicon package. So all the way around this thing and underneath it, you're going to have that great off-road protection as part of that recovery. And then they give you some really cool decals all the way through on this one. So hey guys, let me know down in the comments, is this something that you would drive or maybe not so much for you? Would you like maybe a different color? Looks great. You can see it has the higher fenders on it. It's part of that Rubicon. You can always tell when they line up with the hood right there like that. And off-road protection on this one, you got some great rock rails here on the body. And then you also have some rock rails down on the bed. And then all your Jeeps, this one especially, right? It's gonna come with lots of undercarriage protection. So you can see you got a skid plate right there. You got a full steel plate for your fuel tank underneath here as well. Just lots of really great protection. And then the Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators designed with a solid axle. That's what gives you some of that really great off-road clearance you're used to seeing these things accomplish on the trail and everything. Front and rear axle locker as well with Dana 44s. Great four-wheel drive system. So you can tell right away this isn't a normal Gladiator from the decals on the hood. It's military inspired off Black Ops emissions. Just the perfect touch of decals on this one to have a unique look. You can see here on the back, they did the black decal. It kind of wraps around. And then they pull that into the front. It looks really good with this anvil paint color. You can see up front here with the Rubicon, they did that unique with the Shadow Ops look and then brought it down in. Just really adds a layer of uniqueness. And then you have on the front, you have the blacked out grille. Looks really good with that worn winch that they put on there from the factory with those metal bumpers. So Jeeps, you know, legendary off-road performance. This one's got the Dana 44 wide axles on it. So you got the front and rear axle locker I'm showing you guys right here. Front and rear true lockers, so you can lock those in place. That's what that deal is for. Electronic disconnect sway bar as well. That's what that button's for. Off-road plus mode, steel rock rails, and skid plates protecting critical components underneath the vehicle. So you're also going to have off-road pages inside the infotainment system that's fully adjustable. Can see elevation and how hard the vehicle is working. A little more protection here in the back. You can see you're very well protected for the trail in this one. Steel bumpers front and back. Here's a close-up shot of those wheels. There's 33-inch tires from the factory. Let's get up here and so we can see the tire size on this one. You got the 17-inch tire wheels and 33-inch Wild Peak tires. Give you some good traction out there on the trails. All right, so the interior on this one, you got Nappa leather interior on the inside of this vehicle, so very well done. You can see the leather seats here. You got that red stitch and everything in them. They pull it through on the center console, up on the dash. You got leather everywhere. The stitching has a really great detail to it. Just really gives you that kind of clean, finished, refined look, even in an off-road vehicle like this. And then this Jeep actually has power seats as well. So you have the ability to adjust the back, the bottom, and then even lumbar support too. These will also be heated seats for you. So great, wonderful quality stuff as far as the interior. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's a 12.3-inch touchscreen on the inside of this one. It's going to give you wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, not to mention a Wi-Fi hotspot that you'll be able to connect up to 8 devices. Works 50 feet outside the vehicle. Really, really awesome stuff. We're on the top of the vehicle now, guys. So up here you can see this seam. That's part of the 3-piece Freedom hardtop. So these 2 top panels can actually come off this Gladiator, and so can this back piece here. So then you'll be fully exposed on the inside, be able to see this frame, and have a ton of fun. That's the open air freedom of a Jeep Gladiator. I absolutely love the way it feels. If you didn't know, you can actually even fold down the front windshield on this one too, guys. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, the Jeep Gladiator Shadow Ops isn't just another Gladiator out on the trail. They've added some really cool stuff to this one. There's not going to be many of those out there. So if you want something that's unique, hit me up. My name's Mark. I work over here at MOLLE Dodge in Belton, Missouri. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Google Dodge Dude KC when you're ready for your next car. Thanks a ton. Y'all stay blessed.